What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. As you can see, I got the PS5 beside me. So today my video will be a little bit different. If you follow my channel, then you know I usually post videos about my 392 Charger Scatpack. But today I want to show you guys how I actually secured the PS5. It's been hell trying to get this thing, man. I've been losing sleep over this thing, staying up late at night, trying to catch the drops on Target, Amazon, Best Buy, Costco, any store you name it. I tried to do it online, but I wasn't having any luck online. So today I'm gonna tell you guys how I got my PS5 and how you can do the same, and some tips on how to get it. So long story short, I actually got my PS5 from walking in at Walmart and getting it. So Walmart is pretty much right now the only store who's actually selling the PS5 in stores. So you can't get it from Best Buy in store. You can't get it from Target. You can't get it from Sam's Club, Costco, etc., etc. But my advice to you guys is to try to go to your local Walmarts. Try to go there every day. Try to find your employee, a manager, somebody to talk to who will try to give you the inside scoop on, how many consoles they are getting and when the trucks will get there and what time they're going to unload the trucks. So you want to find out what time they're going to unload as well. So in my particular case, this local Walmart, they only had 3 consoles. So as you can see, they're pretty limited. But she told me they only had 3 consoles. So I needed to get out there early in the morning. So I actually got to Walmart. I want to say probably about 3:30 that Thursday morning. I thought I was the first person, but it was somebody already out there. He actually got out there at 10 o'clock that following night. Yeah, something. My bad. All right, I'm back. Something on my camera, but like I said, the guy. He had got there at 10 o'clock that night. He had camped out early. He had his lawn chain, his blanket. I thought I was the first person out there, but I wasn't. So as you can see, you had to get there pretty early. I was the second person in line. It was a guy behind me. He was the third person. So us 3, we basically knew we had the PS5 secured, and the other 15 people in line, they was out of luck. So my advice to you guys is you can try to do it online if you want to, but with the robots, these guys are snagging up the PS5s online in a heartbeat. They're selling out probably in about 20 seconds. So just maybe be persistent and go to your local Walmart every day. Try to get the inside scoop, on how many they're getting and when the trucks will be there. And if you do get the inside scoop, just try to be at Walmart early as you can be. I'm telling you, early. Because the day I got mine, I actually was thinking about going to Walmart at 5 o'clock in the morning. So as you can see, they only had 3. So if I would have got there at 5, then I would have been out of luck. So I got it. I'm glad I got there at 3:30. Yeah, I know Christmas is coming up. Probably in about 2 weeks. So you guys are trying to find one for your nieces and nephews, your kids, your spouse. So if you want to get the PS5, I suggest you guys go to Walmart ASAP and try to go there like every day next week and every day the following week before Christmas. And so you're not gonna get it just sitting around at the house. Well, at least me, I wasn't gonna get it just sitting around at the house trying to get it online. I had to go on the inside of Walmart. So that's how I got my PS5. Next week, I'm gonna try to go back out and try to get another one. I got some family members who are looking for one also. So if you guys want to know how they're turned out and if I did get one or not, just be sure to subscribe to my channel and come back and check the video out. But like I said, guys, I wish you the best of luck. Christmas is 2 weeks away. I hope you guys secure the PS5 like I did. And guys, let me know about your experience down below in the comments. Have you got the PS5 already? If so, do you love it? I can't wait to play this thing. I'm actually gonna hook it up as soon as I finish the video. So I wish you guys the best of luck. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.